Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the Asus TUF B450 Plus gaming motherboard. Alright, so this is an AMD motherboard as shown here. So it's socket AM4 and it has the B450 chipset. So the main difference between the B450 and something like the B550 or the X570 is the support for PCIe Gen 4. Alright, so PCIe Gen 4 is it has more bandwidth compared to Gen 3, and for general tasks like gaming, you really don't need the Gen 3, and I don't think there's any graphics card that performs significantly worse with Gen 3 compared to Gen 4. So the main difference is only if you are using something like high-speed storage, then you might want to upgrade to the B550 or X570. But for most people using third gen Ryzen, and it's fine to just stick with a B450 board because most of y'all are just gaming or not even running like dual graphics card. Oh yeah, which is one of the another differences. Alright, so you cannot run NVIDIA SLI on B450. You can run Crossfire, but just take note that you cannot run SLI on B450. And yep, this motherboard also has overclocking support. Okay, so let's get to it. Alright, so the CPU AM4 socket and chipset is B450, and your memory will be up to 64 gigabytes, and the speeds listed here. You might be able to overclock slightly further, but this is what's certified on the box. Alright, so this is your PCIe slots, the speed ratings. So your graphics card should go here, the very top one. Yes, the highest speed and the most bandwidth, and it only has 3 actually. So this one is PCI Express Gen 2 with a mix of X4. So it's not very fast. It'll probably be for something else like storage, it'll be fine. Or yeah. Okay, so your USB ports and the features. So it has gaming audio. It's this separate board over here for audio, so there's no crosstalk or electromagnetic interference, and also has Aura Sync and some tough components, so it will last longer compared to traditional motherboards. Alright, so let's open it. Let's see the motherboard. Alright, so Asus member pamphlet thing, you can throw it aside. And the motherboard itself. Okay, let's place this to the side first and take a look at the accessories. Okay, so SATA cables and your I/O shield, standoffs, I think. Yeah, this will probably be your standoff, like the middle one, and some driver CDs and all the useless stuff. This is important actually. It'll tell you where all the headers and whatnot. It does not have those thingy for the, okay, never mind, the quick connect things. It does not have those. Alright, so this is your sticker and the motherboard itself. Okay. Alright, so this is the motherboard. Your AM4 socket and your mounting mechanism for the original AMD cooler. Your DIMM slots. Alright, so there's a fan connector here, one here, and I have no idea. Those are the ones that I see. 1, 2, 3, one more here. I think that's about it. Alright, so this is your gaming audio thing. So yeah, your 8-pin power, 24-pin, your SATA. Alright, so you have 2 SATA slots. Oh, sorry, 6. So 2 over here and 4 over here. Your USB 3, USB, and your case button, reset button stuff. Yeah, that's what I was talking about, the quick connect header for this. So you plug in your stuff, it does not come with one of those. Alright, so let's take a look at the I/O. Alright, so HDMI, DVI, 2 USB 2s, PS2. Alright, I have no idea. I think this is USB 3. No, it's not. Okay, your USB-C. This is USB 3.1. Your USB 3 is here, Ethernet, and your audio. Okay, so let's take a look. This board has the reinforced PCIe slot. So for some of the graphics cards are really heavy. So yeah, this reinforced part will help with that and prevent sag. Alright, so that's about it for my unboxing of the motherboard. Oh yeah, here's your Aura Sync header for your RGBs and stuff. But it does not appear that there's any RGB on the board itself. It's just a very bare bones. It's not bare bones. Minimalistic board. Alright, so it will be more than enough to get all your stuff running. Okay, so one thing I found out about this is that the RAM slots, it does not open on the bottom. So this is one of those where you have to slide it in a certain way and then click it from the top. Right? So your first channel will probably be this and this, and your second one will be here, the black ones. Alright, so thanks for watching my quick unboxing of the Asus TUF Gaming B450 motherboard. Have a nice day, and please subscribe if you like this video, and I'll be doing more content. Probably not of PC parts though, this is not my forte. Anyways, thanks for watching, have a nice day.